Hello everyone, I am back. Before I start my video all across North America, Europe, Asia, Middle East, subscribe if you're new. Share this video, push the notifications, and the massive like. Let's start. Okay, so I got these Pokemon tins. I'll show you what they are. If you look, I got Cubone, and let's see what's inside. You got the coin, we have got so I have got two Lost Origins, one Chilling Rain. Haven't had that and since last year, since I started doing Pokemon videos. And the epic, the iconic Charizard. Stupid coin. And I have got, again, the two Lost Origins and a Chilling Rain. And one more on the darker side of Pokemon. One Chilling Rain and Lost Origin. And of course, the coin. So that's it for the video, guys. I'll do the thumbnail. So all these packs I got here are mostly how many changes we got here? I have got 3 Chilling Rain and multiple Lost Origins. So that's it for this video. I'll be back. Sorry for the itch in my nose. That's it for the video. My final thoughts all across North America, Europe, Asia, Middle East. Subscribe if you're new. Share this video worldwide. Everyone can see it. And push the notifications and the massive like. Live long and prosper, and peace out. I'll see you guys tomorrow night with the live stream. It ain't gaming, just a live stream. Bye.